Noun, noun, noun. I am a pronoun. I am a pronoun. Adjective, adjective. What? What? I am a adverb. I am a adverb. I am a preposition. I am a preposition. I am a conjunction. I am a conjunction. Interjection. Interjection. I am a noun naming word. I am a noun naming word. I am a pronoun used instead of now. I am a pronoun used instead of. I am an adjective describing word. I am an adjective describing word. I am a verb, action word. I am a verb, action word. I am an adverb describing verb. I am an adverb describing verb. I am a preposition used before a noun or pronoun. I am a preposition used before a noun or pronoun. I am a conjunction joining words or sentences. I am a conjunction joining words or sentences. I am interjection expressing feelings. I am interjection express feelings. Thank you.